This video will show you how to turn on inventory tracking in QuickBooks Online. So I'm on QuickBooks Online homepage here. So this is Plus Plan. You gotta have a Plus Plan in order to have inventory feature in QuickBooks Online Plus Plan. Okay, so to track inventory, you go to Product and Services. Okay, let's click a new one here. Select your product type, either item or service. For inventory, it's always item. Okay, as you can see here, there's no way to add inventory tracking in here because you haven't enabled inventory tracking yet. Okay, so in order to do that, you go to company settings. Here's your company settings, company gear, company settings, and you select sales. Okay, under sales, as you can see here, product and services. You can select all three. Alright, the first one is, as you can see here, adds a product service column on sales forms, so you can choose from a list of products and services to include. Second one, track quantity and price rate. It adds quantity and rate fields to sales form, so you can track this information for product and services. And the big one is track quantity in hand, that you track available stock for each product you sell and its related inventory cost that your purchase cost. Okay, you save it. Now if you go back to your product and services list, let's select one here, new. You just click new and select item. Okay, now you can track quantity in here. Okay, so name is your product name. That's the one you will see on your invoice as an item. Okay, let's just say gadget 101, and SKU is your own unique part number or manufacturer's part number, either way, like this. Okay, so SKU, at this point you can use it on your invoice. On invoice you have to use name. So if you want to use certain part numbers on your invoice, then the SKU and your name will be the same. Okay, and if there is a sub product of something, then you can select it in here. Something, if you want to make it part of your product, then you just select the parent account. If not, just leave it the way it is, and you can upload a picture in here if you want to see your picture. Let's say I want to select that one, and so this one is 120 by 120. You can select bigger one, but makes no difference because you can click it. This is what you will see on your product and services list. You won't see this anywhere, just on your product and services list. Okay, so the big moment is here. All you have to do is select this one, checkbox. I track quantity in hand for this product. It's making a statement. This enables inventory cost accounting. Okay, so at this point, if you have inventory, you put inventory, let's say 100. If you have quantity, you put inventory. If you have 0, just put 0, like this. Let's say we have 100 inventory, and you have to select the as of date. So this is your as of date, and make sure as of date is accurate. And if you are creating invoice, let's say 9/27 with this product, it's not going to work for you. So make sure as of date is accurate, and you have nothing to invoice further. You have already invoiced everything, and whatever you invoice will be on 28 or later date. Okay, so inventory asset is don't change it, leave the way it is. Don't change it, leave the way it is. This is default account, and the inventory feature in QuickBooks Online is a very basic one. There's no way to compare this with QuickBooks Premier, so just leave the way it is. There's no need to be smarter than anything, just the basic stuff. Okay, so here is your sales form. So this is what you see on your invoice, sales receipt or estimate, and this is what you'll see on your purchase order. And just put the price in here, let's say $100, and your actual price is $50. And this is the one you can select your income account, chart of accounts. If this is good, sales of product income looks good, or if you have a specific name in your chart of accounts, select it. And cost of goods sold, just leave the way it is, don't change it. Just leave it where it is. It works fine, and it's taxable. If it's taxable, just select taxable. That's all you got to do. Okay, so the moment you save it, what will happen is it will do the 100. This the valuation is 100 units times see 50, and it will add to inventory asset account. That's your asset, and then it will post the other side or credit side to your open balance equity account. So this is kind of hardwired. You can't change it. So just save and close. So now come down, you will see what we added here. Gadget 101 right here. Okay, and if you want to make a sub item of all the gadgets, then you have to create one gadget and make all these sub items. Okay, so now it's all recorded quantities right here, and if you want to see how it's posted at 100, you will see it in your inventory now. And let's just do the journal report here for today. Right here, as you can see here, it's 5,000 open balance credit and 5,000 you added to your inventory asset debit. So that's what you have to do. So if you go to your inventory report, you will see it. We already saw it actually, product and services list, and right here. And if you want to see actual report, inventory report, evaluation report, inventory valuation, we have summary and detail right here. We'll just look at a summary. Right here, gadget 101, 100 quantity, and asset value is this, average cost is this. That's it. Although they say average cost, when they go out, it's the LIFO, last in first out method, inventory method. So it's $50. So that's how they will take out from your as your cost of goods sold when you create your invoice. Okay, so that's it. Pretty easy. So we have several videos related to add inventory in QuickBooks, so you can check it out. We have all kinds of inventory related videos on YouTube, so you can check it out. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.